So hey, everybody, this is Sid Hameed. I'm here at the Gaylord Hotel in Prince George's County. Today we're talking to the younger folks that want to get into the real estate business. Look, there's multiple ways to get into the business. And one of the ways, if you don't have cash, you don't have the credit, you don't have the experience, and you don't have the education. Okay, the fastest way to be able to make thousands of dollars, 10, 20, $30,000 is to be able to wholesale contracts, to be able to flip contracts. So how do you flip contracts? And that's something I'm going to get into, talk about how you actually flip contracts, how do you find the right house at the right location, and then how you find the right buyers and be able to match things up, and then how to do the paperwork properly so your position is covered, but also the buyer, his position, and the seller. So it gets a little bit complicated, but there is a process on how to do it and do it well and be able to make $10, $20, $30,000 quickly without any credit, without any cash, and without any experience. So you got to be able to hustle, and what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to show you the necessary paths that are needed in Oxon Hill, in Clinton, Maryland, in Temple Hills, in Bowie, in Mitchellville, in Bladensburg, and be able to show you which areas are the ones that are hot right now. So as you guys know, in Prince George's County, the MGM casino is coming, which is going to bring thousands and thousands of jobs, okay? Also, the Purple Line is coming as well, which is also going to bring thousands of jobs. So we're talking about the economic growth of Prince George's County. So right now, what's forecasted for 2017 and 2018 and 2019 for Prince George's County is enormous in terms of jobs, in terms of new businesses and companies that are coming down here. The Purple Line is coming. Okay, there's going to be a huge explosion of real estate in this particular area. So the younger folks, I'm letting you know, do not be deterred. Do not worry about the fact that you don't have all the necessary degrees or the experience or the knowledge. I'm with Keller Williams International, and I'm with the Keller Williams Preferred Property Office here in Largo, Maryland. One of the things that we're going to do is we're going to show you how to get into the system. So if you want to be an agent, we'll be able to talk about how to be an agent and how to be an investor agent, and then how to also be a wholesaler and be an agent. So when you're being a real estate agent, you're licensed with the board, and you have access to all the necessary tools, it's the tools that's going to be able to give you the data that's going to allow you to put your proposal together when you're talking to your cash buyers, to be able to let them know, where the ARV is, what's active, what's in foreclosure, what's currently selling, what's the days on the market. So you need the data, you need the information to be able to provide to your investors. So as you talk to these cash buyers, you need to be able to be professional and be able to provide accurate, relevant, current data in the marketplace to be able to show your professionalism. So you just not treat that customer one time, you'll be able to work with that customer 5, 10 times. Be able to provide multiple deals. The key is, in this particular business, is to be able to scale, right? So I'll be able to show you how to scale your business from coming in at the first level, then you go up to wholesaling, then you go up to buying and flip and fix, and then you go into providing a rental portfolio where you have cash flow coming in, but then also buying apartment buildings and getting into shopping centers and land development, as well as buying non-performing notes from banks and asset managers, and to be able to go after these defaulted papers. So there's very scalability steps that have to be taken and required, and anybody can do this business. Believe me, I started this business in 1989. I've been in construction since I was 15 years old. I've done hundreds of transactions in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. I know this area well. I've been in this neighborhood for over 45 years. So I've seen the transformation from the Gaylord Hotel to the MGM coming, the Purple Line. I've seen Tyson's Corner get built out. I've seen Anne Arundel get built out. I've seen Montgomery County get built out. Right now, where we are today, the cheapest square footage to build is here in Prince George's County. This is in our backyard. And so I want you people that want to get into the real estate business, that want to get started and don't know where, give us a call at 240-764-5347, 240-764-5347, and then also you can call the Keller Williams office at 240-737-5000. And you ask for Sid Hameed, and you ask them how to get started to be a real estate agent and that Sid Hameed is the one that asked you to call, and you want to be on the $100 million team. So there's a $100 million team that's being generated and created here to be able to do the $100 million business in the next 5 years in Prince George's County, in our backyard. And I want the right people that are willing and able, that are hungry, and that are willing to do the work and listen and pay attention, and that are coachable. So if you meet those criteria and requirements, there's a qualification process that we go through. We put everybody through. We are only looking to work with some of the best people out there. And give us a shout, give us an email at info, I-N-F-O, at brickfrontproperties.com. That's info, I-N-F-O, at brickfrontproperties.com. Thank you very much, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Look forward to meeting with you guys and working together. All right, take care, everybody.